Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another weight rack video. Let's get to it. Well, hey guys, my son purchased I believe it's a Titan weight rack. Sorry for the mess in behind it. We're still cleaning up back there, but this is a little different than the previous rack we had. It's still back there taken apart. We're gonna repurpose that for some other things, but he invested in this, bought it used. He wanted to make some lever arms for it. He actually wanted to buy them, but you couldn't get them. They were back ordered and they're pretty expensive. So he said, let's make some ourselves. So that's what we did. These bolts are going to be swapped out. These are temporary, just as we kind of tune it a little bit, I will say. The first thing we did is we built these brackets. Let me show you what we made those out of. We made those brackets out of these pieces of steel that we picked up at Home Depot. We just cut them to size, welded them together, and built them out. So what we did first was build kind of like a C channel almost out of different metal, and we welded that in together to build that C. So it wraps around the rack to grab hold. Then we welded a couple pieces straight out from the C. That didn't work out well. I'll throw a picture of that in here. We were just trying it. Again, we're amateur metal workers, let's put it that way. So what we ended up kind of coming up with a design that provided this angle to provide some lateral stability, and we put another piece on the outside just to make it that much stronger. And these are very strong. Strength is not going to be an issue. Now, one of the issues we had was we had some tolerance problems, I'll call it, and that's again because we're amateur metal workers. These were a little bit wider than our 1.5" based arm. So right now we've put these washers in. We may actually weld some pieces on the inside. We'll see. Not sure yet. We're going to see how this works out to provide that stability. And just to let you know, we had these old squat racks, and we used the pieces from that to make these arms. So this is actually the piece that fits inside that squat rack. I think that squat rack was the first original weight equipment that we bought. And moving down from the arm, this piece right here that holds the actual weights, that was up top here on this rack. It got in the way, honestly. So we just took those off. We repurposed those onto the end of this piece of steel that was the old squat rack. For right now, we just put washers in there. Again, we may weld in some brackets in there to hold all that up. Next, we have the handles. We just built those out of 1" black iron pipe. We did some 3D printed ends, so we wouldn't get caught by the threads. We wrapped it in some cloth black tape, and they actually work really well. A couple other things we did on this is we 3D printed these stops. So when our bracket wants to hit the rack, it doesn't mess the rack all up. And if those break, those are super easy just to print new ones. Now, one thing I probably would have done different is make these a little bit longer so they come down here. And we probably will. We'll probably iterate on that design and make it better. But just want to get this out here. Here's where you guys can make fun of our welds. Again, we're not professional welders, but I got the job done. We've been using this for a little bit, and it's holding up well. One thing we need left to do is figure out a collar for these. The normal collars don't fit. They're a little too big for these. So we're going to be on the lookout for a solution here. So that's still a work in progress. I'll do another update video on these when we get them done. I'll be honest with you, this was a lot of fun. We've wanted to learn, you know, a little more welding, metalworking, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Actually, when you count the other side, another 2. So these were all just, you know, random pieces of metal we welded together, and it's pretty fun, a lot of fun. And, you know, another thing we're going to iterate on real quick is to, you know, when we get new bolts to hold these together, is to do a wing nut connection, not here, but down here. That way we can move the arms at different points in the rack. But yeah, that's where we're at. That's what we got so far. Look for more videos to come on this, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. We're gonna do a few more videos as we work out the kinks in the system back here, but I'm kind of happy with it. Yeah, if you got any metalworking tips, welding tips, we watch videos on that all the time. Any thoughts on that, leave it below. Keep them positive. If they're negative and not useful to anybody else in the stream, I'm just gonna delete them. So have a great day.